How to get $70 Adidas promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you'll find the search box. Type in adidas.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Adidas. Now you can browse through the items and select the items that you want to purchase. And while you check out, you will find this section of promo code. Over there, you have to paste the code and you will get the discount. But where can you find Adidas promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Adidas promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can get promo code for Adidas. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Wired. In this page, you're going to find tons of deals and offers. Just scroll and check. 30% coupon code, $60 coupon code, 70% offer, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just go ahead and click on copy coupon or view deal. See, here is the code, you can copy it. Now head towards the website of Adidas, log into your account, select the items that you want to purchase, and while you check out, you will find the section of promo code, or the paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Over here, you're going to find tons of offers. Also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Adidas. Well, this is how you can easily get up to $70 Adidas promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.